In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review featuring a secret item. Now, this is a huge announcement that I have to make. This is a major accomplishment for me, a big milestone, and I can't wait for you guys to find out what I am talking about. It's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jonique and I create fashion related content from vlogs, hauls, lookbooks, outfit inspo, and vlogs. So if that seems to interest you, join the familia. In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review featuring a secret item. Now, this is a huge announcement that I have to make. This is a major accomplishment for me, a big milestone, and I can't wait for you guys to find out what I am talking about. So if you're interested, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Follow me on Instagram at JoTayStyles and on TikTok at JoTayStyles, on Pinterest at JoTayStyles with 2 Z's, and let's just get right into this review. Before we get into the product review, I just wanted to give myself the thanks, the grace, appreciation. I want to let you guys know I've started my YouTube channel about 2.5 years ago during quarantine. Didn't know where this was gonna take me, didn't know how to edit, didn't know how to make videos, wasn't comfortable in front of the camera.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jonique, and this is my first YouTube video. Today's video, we're gonna do a natural brow tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look right here. So yeah, we're gonna just get right into the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
And just to see my growth from where I first started watching my first YouTube video and see how far I've come, it's just up from here. We're continuing to grow. I started from 0 subscribers to where I'm at 750 something right now to this day. Right now we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. So that is a major accomplishment and milestone for me. I want to give God thanks and grace for everything. It would not be possible without him. And it's just a testament to show never to give up and just keep pushing, keep investing in yourself, invest in your craft, because one day it will definitely pay off. So beyond that, let's just get right into this product review. Can I get a drum roll, please? I've been wanting this camera for over 1.5 years now, and I did my research and I was in between this camera and the M50, and the M50 had a lot of great reviews, but it's just a bigger camera and I wanted a vlogging camera. So I did get the Sony ZV-1. It is so small, very compact. I'm going to show you guys what the camera looks like, all the little gadgets that I got for it, and I am going to show you a demonstration as well, what it looks like right now on my phone and when I hook up my camera, okay? When you get the Sony ZV-1, you get the box, of course, and inside the box you have your charger. So this is to charge your camera battery or your camera or whatever, and it comes with limited warranty as well, and of course it comes with the camera. Look how small, how cute, how compact. Right now I have a case on it. If you would like to cop this case, I will put the link down below. I got it from Amazon, and it's just for protection, of course. It comes with a little mic, and that was very important as well. You can detach this mic and add your own mic onto it to up your video sounds. It can fit in your bag, your pocket, but I would recommend to get a camera case for it because, like I mentioned before, this is a pricey camera, so you want to ensure that you protect it as much as you possibly can. So when you turn it around, you can see it has the little dials to change the settings and things like that. It has a screen. Now with the screen, you can pull it out as such. You can flip it around like this, or you can put it back in its original state. Now, another thing I want to mention, this camera has a really good zoom feature. So the zoom will be located here. You can zoom it in and out depending on the type of video that you are creating. It has the buttons here, the on and off buttons right here. Come a little closer so you can see. Underneath here is where you store your battery and your SD cards. Very simple, sleek, black design, straight to the point, and a perfect point shoot camera. With cameras, you want to ensure that you have batteries. Now, the Sony ZV-1 comes with 1 battery and it dies fast, extremely fast actually. You want to get like secondary ones, or you can get the original Sony batteries. They are just a bit more pricier compared to these, where you can get these on Amazon. I did get it with this battery charger. So you just plug in a USB cord and it automatically recharges your batteries. So when you are filming your videos, you can just pop them in and pop them out. It has a channel 1 and a channel 2. So you put obviously battery here, you put in the USB port, and it will light up green when it's fully charged and light up red when it needs to be charged. So it's very easy to use. I will put the link down to this down below. When buying a camera, you want to make sure you get an SD card. An SD card is very important to operate your camera and hold your pictures and videos. I got this from Office Depot. You can get it from Best Buy, Walmart, and SanDisk is a very reliable brand. So I went with SanDisk. I went with the 128 gigabyte. There are lower gigabytes like 64 or higher ones like 258. I would recommend to get like 128 to 258 just because it would hold more storage on your camera. And when you're filming in like 4K, it's going to eat up a lot of that storage. So making sure that you have high gigabytes will help eliminate that problem of you having to keep switching in and out your gigabyte, and it will help increase your time of recording time as well. Let me know down below in the comments, is there different with the micro and then the regular SD cards? But I did get this, and you could just put it into the little carrying case and just install it right into your camera. I wanted to show you guys the case that I got from Amazon. Now this is in the color black, and it is a silicone material. It fits the camera very snug, which is really nice, but the only problem I would say is when you are attaching your tripod, it will move around the case just a little bit, but it's an easy fix. You can just pop it back into place. I love that it gives you a lens protector as well, so when you put it in your bag and it's like moving around, you're protecting your lens. Another thing with this case, it does come with a screen protector for your screen. Very important because you don't want this to break. Now that I covered all about the camera and the camera equipment, I'm going to show you the camera. So right now, as you can see, this is what I'm recording on my phone. I'm gonna switch it over to my Sony ZV-1 so you can see the quality difference, and that will conclude the video. I wanted to show you an up and close personal view. If you were to vlog on your camera, this is what it would look like. And you just can see how soft my skin looks. It is very crisp, very clean, great quality, and I am super excited to see how far this is going to take me with upping my quality, my lighting, my equipment. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, follow me on Instagram at JoTayStyles, on TikTok at JoTayStyles, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!